Alright y'all, I'm at the Pixley Knob Trailhead. I'm about to knock out section 2 of the KT. You can see the trailhead behind me. It is right off the road. So anybody who's looking to do this one, your GPS is going to tell you you've arrived and you just need to keep going a little bit further. And then you'll come up to this little parking lot here and you'll see the trailhead. And then you'll see a sign that says footpath. Okay, so here is the map. I'm the blue dot, and we're gonna go this way. This is where your GPS is gonna say you've arrived, but I just wanna point out, see that little silver dot right there? That's my car, so you just have to do a little bit of a walk to get here, but it's not too bad. So today we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go behind me. Next time I'll be right back here and I'll go that way. But I gotta go cover some of those miles that I didn't get to do the last time I was here, so here we go. One thing that you'll wanna keep in mind if you're doing this trail is that there's not a lot of water. So you can leave caches. And this cache is right off the road. You can see that little brown sign right there, that's the trailhead. So I've come to another creek crossing, but it's a pretty steep way down. Okay, so I think it's thundering back there. It is supposed to thunderstorm at 5, which is about 5. So hopefully I don't get wet. I found another one of those "You Are Here" signs. This is a really cool place. I've never seen views like this on this trail before. I came from that way. Alright, so it's about to start raining. I'm getting sprinkled on. This little cool place. This is just incredible. I can't believe that there's this up here. I mean, who knew Indiana had views? This has been a beautiful trail. I really want to do this again. I would highly recommend it. But it is hot. It is very muggy. So keep that in mind. This is cool. Although it's like right on the trail. But look at these views from this campsite. I really like this section of the trail. It is really pretty. There's lots of views. Ooh, it's starting to rain. But I don't know if I was just wearing a long sleeve shirt and pants last time, and now I'm wearing shorts and a t-shirt. But there are spider webs everywhere. I've probably collected half a dozen cobwebs on my legs, my arms, and even my camera has gotten a few. It is a buggy trail. I am back. I did get quite a bit and I knocked out another section and I'm really excited about that. So stay tuned because I'm going to do the next section here soon.